Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, the topic we are going to discuss is why have we forgotten how to walk? Have you noticed, people nowadays walk more and more strangely. The heel landed heavily, the knees turned inward, and the toes did not move. Even standing is a struggle. Has our body deteriorated? Walking was once an instinct we were born with. From the moment a baby learns to walk, we use our entire body to try and make mistakes. After entering the modern society, we wear thick-soled, supportive shoes every day, move on flat sidewalks and stairwells. There is almost no need to truly feel the ground with your feet. Gradually, the body's perception, balance, and regulation abilities. In this way, we were taught to be silent by ourselves. The design focus of modern shoes is on shock absorption, support, and stability. It sounds very safe, but in fact, it is precisely these designs that gradually make our feet unemployed. For instance, thick-soled shoes deprive us of the genuine feedback from the ground. Arch support weakens the function of the small muscles in the feet. The air cushion structure forces us to hit the ground hard with our heels. Over time, the feet originally used to coordinate the center of gravity and activate the chain of posture, becoming increasingly ignorant and indifferent. When the feet lose their function, the rest of the body can only be forced to take over the task of walking. So we see knee hyperextension, anterior pelvic tilt, lower back compression, shoulder and neck tension, a series of compensation patterns. It led to a breakdown in the posture from head to toe. You may have never thought the causes of lower back and waist pain. In fact, it starts from the feet. We don't need to return to the primitive life immediately. Just give your feet a chance to relearn in a modern environment. Start with the simplest. Take off your shoes and walk barefoot at home for a few steps. Standing on the balcony, the grass, or the wooden floor, quietly feel the changes in your body's center of gravity. If you are not sure about the material of the ground, you can wear a pair of barefoot shoes as a transition to give your feet enough freedom. The most crucial thing is, slow down, be gentle, and be aware of the changes in the soles of your feet with each step. You will find that walking can also be a form of healing. Gradually, we learn to walk again, regain the most fundamental feeling of being human, and throw ourselves into the embrace of nature once more.